Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel. So in this informative YouTube video, we will guide you on how to use a PAC code on your new phone. So a PAC code or porting authorization code is essential when you want to switch your mobile network provider while keeping your existing phone number. So we will walk you through the step-by-step process of obtaining and using a PAC code. So ensuring a seamless transition to your new phone. So stay tuned and learn the necessary procedure and tips for a hassle-free switch. So let's start. We have to check the eligibility to request your pack code. So you can change mobile network and keep the same number by requesting pack code from the current provider. So you have to check your number eligibility from the provider you wish to switch and check your device compatibility if you bring your OW device. So keep ready with your porting pin and password phone number transfer. Then verify the no blocker restriction in your account. Then after you have to confirm all the benefits with current provider are paid off to ensure your device is eligible to use on T-Mobile network. Then here are some prerequisites to use a PAC code on a new phone. So get the personal information, exact name in the current provider, note down the phone number you want to transfer, your current service provider name, example Assurance Wireless, then find the current provider wireless account number, then get put out PIN and transfer PIN from current wireless to for number transfer. So have your billing address and chip code ready. Then we have to have a step first. We have to activate the SIM on new device. Insert the SIM card into your new phone and make sure it works. If not, move to the next step. If the SIM card doesn't work, so contact your current provider, give them account number, contact detail, mobile number, and device name and IMEI number. So after providing the detail, wait for the new SIM network to activate and start working on your new phone. So in step 2, we have to request a pack code account number code. So contact your current mobile number provider so and request a pack porting authorization code and request a account number. So this code is essential for transferring your number to a new network. Then we have to submit pack code to new provider. So once you receive the pack code provided to the new network provider or you wish to switch to, then the new provider will use this code to initiate the transfer of your number to their network and transfer your number. The new network provider will handle the process of transferring your number from the old network to the new one. Ensure that your addition instruction provided by the new provider during the transfer process. So these are the some simple steps or things you have to remember when you try to use a pack code on a new phone. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.